Welcome. This is Technology Assessments by Hannah McIntyre, Maria Sandoval, Elizabeth Horihan, and Kristin Johnson. One of the assessments that we looked into was That Quiz. That Quiz is a free site for teachers and students where there are built-in quizzes for math, science, language arts, and social studies. These quizzes can be adapted in both difficulty and in length. Teachers can make their own tests covering any subject. Here you will find a link to that quiz. As with any program, there's pros and cons to that quiz. The pros are that there's pre-created tests, or you can create your own. Students can make corrections within the test once they are completed. The negatives are the unappealing layout, you cannot add graphics or media, and you're not able to use multiple methods of assessing within one assessment. Here is an actual link to that quiz assessment. The grade level being assessed is 4th grade and the concept or area is mathematics. There are 10 questions. In order to use this assessment, first use the link above and then click on the drop-down menu next to student. Find your name and click on it and you will be directed to the quiz. The second assessment that we looked at was FlexiQuiz. FlexiQuiz is a free site for teachers to create online assessments. The assessments can be distributed either by sharing a link to the quiz or by sharing it with the class the teacher has created. The assessments can include a variety of question types including multiple choice, drop-down menus, picture choice, fill in the blank, and matching. These quizzes have the option to be automatically scored, and it provides a user-friendly page to view individual student results. The pros to FlexiQuiz are a variety of question types, it's easy to use, it's customizable settings like time limits and number of attempts, students can see their results, graphics and media links, printable results, and it can direct students to activity after the quiz based on their score. The cons are you need to create an account. Only upgraded accounts allow videos or some graphics, and the format's not very engaging. Here you will find a link to our FlexiQuiz assessment. The grade level being assessed is 5th grade, and the target is social studies, events leading to the Civil War. There are 10 questions. First, use the link above, then enter your name and hit register. This will take you to your quiz. After the quiz, you will have the opportunity to see what questions you missed by selecting Review Answers, or to go to a website to review content or a website to extend the concept based on your score. The third assessment tool is Testmos. It's a program that allows teachers to create tests that students can take online. The free version allows teachers to make a test with up to 50 questions. All the amazing features this program has are listed in the pros and cons slide. Here you will find a link to Testmos. The pros are that there's various question types, easy student access, it's easy to look at the data, it provides immediate feedback, all answers are shown with answers at the end of the test, and the teacher can print out all the data and resources. However, the downside is you must purchase the full program to add graphics and audio, and yearly membership costs $20. Here you will find a link to Testmos. The Passcode is seasons. The grade level that we're focusing on is 1st grade newcomers, and the concept is understanding the seasons of the year, what we do, where, and celebrate. There are 10 questions. In order to go to Testmos to take the quiz, you go to the link and sign in with your name. You use the passcode listed above of seasons and take the quiz. Click Submit and review your answers. To see everyone's scores, go to the link, click on the Administrators tab, and go to the results. The fourth assessment program is Weo.io. It's a program that provides many ways and types of assessment to assess your students online. The teacher can also pin different quizzes and tests from other teachers so you do not have to recreate the wheel. It's very simple to use, but works best when setting up and adding students to your class list. Here is a link to Weo. The pros are there's different question types. It provides immediate feedback to students. The length of time the student takes is shown, so if a student's not trying their best, you can redirect them, and they can also retake the quiz. Student data shown in gradebook format and also in graphs. You can share the progress with your parents, and you can pin other activities from other teachers. The cons are that you have to create accounts, and it has some difficulties when grading. Quiz Revolution is our last form of assessment. It's an easy-to-use platform to create quizzes or surveys, and the site is easy to sign up and provides a link for others to access the quizzes or surveys. You can create any number of questions and any style of questions. The pros are that there's different question types. It's easy to share the link. It's easy to create, and you can add graphics. The cons are that there's multiple choice is the ideal form of questioning. It's the easiest to use and the easiest for the students to answer. Also, no database is created with the data. Thank you for viewing our presentation on technology assessments. We hope you enjoyed your time today.